Well, hello everyone. First of all, thank you for joining during our live streaming. That was so much fun, where we shared brie bites, a brie wheel, and a charcuterie board. If you have not checked that out, Lisa's going to drop the link in or tell you exactly where to find it. You can see it over in our events page over on temp-tations.com, so you can definitely check it out. But boy, did we have fun, and you guys are just amazing and showed up in droves. Is that what they usually say? Is that the
droves.
In droves. In droves.
That's offensive.
Hey, Chris. Hey, Stacey. You guys are probably like, "Ooh, you're on a lot today." Hey, Carolyn. Hello. So, I just wanted to give you a quick peek at our latest and greatest Tara's must-have. Guys, we have never, ever done a specific beautiful vase that didn't have, like, you know, a canister and it drives your car and all these other things. Sometimes we just need that one beautiful piece. And this came from you, from customer requests asking for a traditional vase that you could use around your home. And I have to say, I think this is absolutely stunning. Hey, Margie's saying hey to Lisa. It was gorgeous. Wanted to eat it all. By the way, I am so full of cheese and salty meats. I can't even tell you. Hey, Brian. Hey, Marianne. Martha's here. Joyce is here. Hello. Tressie, Mary. Oh, gosh. Hi, everybody. We were just talking about our live streaming that we did over on QVC.com. Boy, did we have fun. Will you brie my Valentine? Take a peek at our latest and greatest Tara's must-have. It is an 8-inch wide mouth vase. I love the silhouette here. I love how it's kind of modern and updated, yet still has that classic pattern, that classic shape and detail. And I love the fact that it's our same beautiful stoneware. So look how gorgeous it is in Old World. Look how beautiful it is in floral lace. You can head over to temp-tations.com and check out the patterns and colors that we have available. But like, I love that you can leave it out. Maybe this is something you tuck in a bookshelf. Maybe you don't even put anything in it. Or it's something that when you get flowers and you kind of rotate it in, look how beautiful for the season, depending on what color and pattern you're picking up. This can have tulips in the summertime and in the spring, and then in the fall, you can have some of your harvest flowers and poinsettias. This is such a beautiful piece. I am so in love with the way it turned out. You guys, it's under $20,
wow.
Okay? You know, you can go to some of those good stores that have home product and find a vase for $20. So the fact that this is individually hand painted, that it has your patterns you've been loving and collecting. If you love that floral lace, it's got that engraved detail. It's got the beading that runs around the collar there, which is so sweet. And I just love, again, the silhouette of it, how beautiful it is. Linda is saying 70 in San Diego. I need cheese now.
I dropped the link in for everyone to watch.
Okay, Lisa dropped the link in so you guys can go check that out. I used my canisters for flowers. Yes, exactly. Well, now you have a traditional vase that you can use. And I love the idea of maybe picking up more than one and using them to anchor, like a sideboard if you have it, or kind of like your entryway table when you're walking in with like a beautiful lamp. These would be those perfect pieces that you could layer in. And again, I love all of the detail. Charlie's saying it's so pretty. Thanks, so Charlie. Pam saying hi. That is gorgeous. I really, truly did want to show you in person so that you could really, truly see just how stunning, all the attention to detail, and that gorgeous silhouette. It would be so easy just to make like a oval vase or a round vase. You have to go like that. But this has so many details and so much workmanship to it. It's stunning. I love how it's a little graduated down at the bottom, and then it comes out and sweeps around the top here and then comes back up. Look at that.
It's beautiful.
If you never put anything in it, I know. It's when we finally got the samples, couldn't have been happier. Hey, Greg, good to see you. Yes, it's substantial. It's beautiful. Linda's saying it's absolutely perfect. 51 in South Carolina.
Okay.
It's cold here. I'm not gonna lie.
Did you hear we're supposed to get like a lot of
snow?
A lot.
We're getting a nor'easter.
So okay, what's the story?
This is like, okay, Stormfield, I need all of the details.
Is this Saturday?
I feel like the weather peeps are being very vague. I'm just going to say that. They're talking about the European model and our model and whose model, and I'm like, what are all these models?
Wait, when
what
did that all start,
I
by
don't
the
know.
way?
I feel like it kind of became this like finger pointing, like, well,
oh, yeah.
well, the European model said this, but we didn't get that. No, I'm just kidding. I'm totally kidding. Either way, we
need to ask Karen.
We're going to have a weather event. That's my other favorite thing. But I think the last thing they said was that kind of Boston New York, that area was really, really going to get it. So
Oh, really?
if you are in the path of the storm, please stay safe.
Yes.
But I do have a feeling we are going to get some weather here in Delaware. You most likely will get some in PA.
I know.
So, but hey, gang, so good to see you guys. Thank you for jumping on. I really just wanted to share these are our final quantities.
Yes.
We have nothing on order behind this, so no plans to bring this back this year. I know it's January, but just wanted to give you a quick sneak peek so you could see it live. You've been shopping it all day, but head over to temp-tations.com. It's under $20. And P.S. and by the way, if you've noticed something different over at temp-tations.com because you're going on from your mobile device or maybe your tablet, we have redone our website to make it a little more mobile friendly. Again, something we heard loud and clear from you. A lot of you are shopping on the go. A lot of you are checking it out. What was that? Something weird on my finger. I thought for a second it might be a spider.
Oh.
So that would have been a whole other story. But check it out. The team did such a beautiful job putting it all together, freshening it up, and at the end of the day, making it a much nicer shopping experience for all of you. So yay for us. Love that. All right, you guys, thank you for jumping on. We will be back in the kitchen with David. We're on around 10 after 8. And by the way, hold please. Oh, we have our cookware back and we have Hello Yellow. We're calling it Nectar, but you definitely want to check it out. Under 6 quarts, comes with a lid, and it's phenomenal. I love this piece so much. And yes, it's cookware. And yes, it goes on your stovetop. So make sure you check that out at 10 after 8 tonight in the kitchen with David. All right, everybody, I will see you then. Bye.